So yesterday I tried bedding my brakes, kind of looked that up on how to do that, did a bunch of different stops. It actually got the brakes to stop squeaking, which was great. But now it hit it again. It's here tomorrow. Again, it's 3 p.m. in the afternoon. Perfectly fine, normal day, 52 degrees, pretty sunny and bright out for the most part. Still getting that squeaking, and so I want to show you that. And then also, in what I've noticed as well, in reverse, I do not get any of that squeaking. So here's the squeaking when you're just regularly going. Notice in reverse. Nothing but forward. Any help would be appreciated.